What's up, my wealthy babies? I am back with another video, and with today's video I have a little unboxing with the wig install and styling. The wig that we are installing today is Luvme hair. If you have not heard about this company, definitely go ahead and check it out. This packaging is so cute. I do not want to take the bow off, but I want to see how this wig looks so I can give you guys my honest opinion about this wig. So let's go ahead. It wouldn't be me if I don't try on this wig right here. I haven't tinted the lace. I haven't even tinted my wig cap, but I just want to see how this wig looks when I just plop it down on my head. So let's do that, because is it actually HD? Is it actually giving what it's supposed to give? You know, that's what I want to know. Hold on now. Wait a minute. Let me fix it, because I don't want this bob to give mommy. I want it to give, you know, black lady wig. I want a deep part in this wig right here. I want a real deep part. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Can y'all see that lace? Can you see this lace? Remember the last time I reviewed and installed a glueless wig and I was having a hard time with it? Baby, I don't have to put one drop of lace spray on here. I don't have to put one drop of adhesive glue on here. I don't have to do anything, because what lace? Yeah, what lace? I like this. I'm trying to give, I don't want to give like a soccer mom bob, but I definitely want to give a natural black girl bob, you know. And this is cute. This is real cute. And I haven't even tinted my lace. Now I'm thinking, do I even need to tint my lace? Can I just use the last of my foundation on my foundation brush and then just plop that on? What I am going to do is I'm going to tint my wig cap. I'd rather do that and then use my foundation brush on the actual wig. But I feel like I need to tint my wig cap, because you could kind of see where the wig starts at. So what I'm going to use is Red by Kiss Tint Lace Powder. Yeah, it's worn out, worn through. I've used it so many times. This color right here is a medium dark brown. It says it in the back right here. And then if y'all don't know, it comes with this. See, I done used it so much. Look at the brush. Look at the brush. I done used it so much the bristles is coming out. Okay, the little hairs is coming out. But it comes with a brush. If you don't know, now you know. You get this at your local beauty supply store. Like you see right here, it's only $4. Cheap, very cheap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swirl it around right up in here. Tap it like that. Swirl it some more. Tap it like that. Okay. And then really get up in there. I got a side part, so I really don't. I'm gonna do the whole head. Cause I just thought about it, like I don't have to tint the whole lace because I got a side part, but we here now, so. I know y'all see them edges, and you see this hair is growing. Like I decided to grow back my hair. I miss my long hair, but I also miss my bald head. I'm not gonna lie to you. I miss being bald. I try not to cut my hair. I'm trying so hard not to just be like, like, you know, have a Britney Spears moment. But I told myself, let me grow my hair out. I need to, like, you know, take care of my natural hair. I want to actually see what my natural hair looks like, because growing up I never saw my I never knew what my natural hair was, because I always got perms. I was getting a perm since I was 5 years old, and I'm gonna just let my hair grow out naturally, use natural products, and actually see for the first time how my hair texture is. Now I'm getting my foundation brush, right? It's a little yellow, okay. And I'm just gonna go right along. I mean, that's all I got, to be honest. I'm gonna go right along there. So it's tinted just a little bit. You could barely see it. I used the rest of my foundation on my brush just to tint the lace just a little bit. Like I said, you can't really see it. You can barely see it on here. But now it's time to actually install this wig for sure and make sure it is placed right before it's time for me to style this wig, okay? I'm gonna definitely eat in this wig. I'm telling you I am. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it.
Deep scars.
And like I said, I want a deep part. I want a deep part with this wig. I don't want to give soccer mom. I'm going to the club. And I got a cute wig on. That's what I'm giving, okay? And you can't even tell that this is a glueless wig. Yes, this is a glueless wig. You cannot tell. And if you can, shut up. Okay? Ain't nobody asked you nothing. Okay? Push that up just a little bit, just a smidget. And this is gonna be the first time in history that I do not put glue on a wig. The first time you guys will see me not put glue on a wig. First time ever in history, I promise. Pinky. I'm not gonna put no glue on this wig, but I am gonna style it. So let's get this together, because even though this is a cute bob wig, this isn't, I'm not going for no, you know, I need it slicked down. I need it real cute.
Deep scars. Deep scars.
Okay, so I got my flat iron. This flat iron is a titanium flat iron. I got it from Amazon so many years ago. Whenever you flat iron your hair, your natural hair, or your wigs and stuff like that, get a titanium flat iron. So I have my flat iron on 370 right here. I would put it on 4, but I don't want to overheat or cook this hair real bad. I don't want to do that, so I'm putting on 370. I would have left it on 350, but I just want a little smidget of heat so I can get this bob laid. You can tell it's human hair. Look at it back here, and then look. Yeah, we styling this. This is cute. This is real cute. We getting that. We getting that. We getting this bob together, girl.
Deep scars.
Look, I'm gonna try to get the back as much as I can.
Deep scars.
Let me get this little front part again. Baby, the heat is heating. It's not even that hot. But the heat is cooking. Y'all see that? It went to nothing to something, okay? Finish this hair real quick. Flat iron the other side. Okay.
Deep scars. Deep scars.
Okay. Get a little bit of this back here. Do you see how cute this wig looking? I wish it was flatter, but that's fine. It's still cute though. This bob is bobbing. I really like this side and stuff.
Deep scars.
It is so cute. I'm giving grown woman status. Very grown woman. No soccer mom shit over here. Okay. This looks so cute. Like this. But I think I want to try another style. I want to try another style with this wig and see how it is. But let me get real cute real quick so I can get the whole little feel for this look. Hold on. I think the other hairstyle that I want to do with this wig is like curl it a little bit. And just see how that goes. Because it's cute like this. But let's see how it is when this wig is curled. I don't want to cut it. I honestly do not want to cut this wig in like layers or anything because I don't want to mess up the wig for when I want to wear it later on. So let's get into style 2 of this wig.
Deep scars.
Okay, so this is the second hairstyle that I decided to do. Did a little feather because I don't know if I showed y'all, but I attempt to like curl this side and put a little curls on the other side where my bang was at, and it was giving corporate. It was giving vice president. It was giving somebody auntie, okay? And I didn't want to give that. I want to get something cute, and I want to show you guys that with this glueless wig, it is very versatile. You can make it into any style that you want to make it to, okay? And you don't have to glue it down. It's a glueless wig. Like, you could just do whatever you want to do with this wig, as long as it's cute. Keep it cute, and go about your day, okay? So yeah, I definitely like this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments which one do you like. Do you like the straight? Do you prefer this to wear this hair straight, or do you like the feather curls? Okay, because I think this is definitely cute. This wig is 10 inches. It's 100% human hair wig. This is high quality human hair wigs. I can honestly say that this wig is extremely soft. and it's definitely high quality. If you're interested in getting high quality wig for a decent price, definitely check out Luvme Hair. And yeah, like there's no shedding, there's no smells, everything is cute, everything is good. And yeah, I still can't get over this little hairstyle because this is the hairstyle I used to do in high school back in the day, and it is so cute to do it on this glueless wig right here. Everything will be in the description below. Y'all already know to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You're missing out on some good ass content, girl. So thank you for watching, and bye my babies.